Virtual reality is a fascinating way to travel using nothing more than the power of technology. With a headset and motion tracking, VR lets you look at a virtual space as if you're actually there, or play a game like you're actually in it. In this video, we'll talk about breaking down the 6 best VR headsets on the market this year, based on price, performance, durability, and more. We took a look at products in all cost ranges, so whether you're looking for an excellent value or just the best one, we got the best option for you. As always, check out the links to buy the products discussed below. Stick around, and be sure to not miss a thing. Let's start this list with the Oculus Quest. As a standalone headset from Oculus, the Quest comes with integrated sensors. It uses them in tandem with algorithms to set up a safe VR space in your room without leaving you worrying about bumping into any objects or walls. And with 50 games at launch, it has plenty of VR entertainment to get stuck into. As for the hardware itself, the Oculus Quest has some of the best controllers out there, and while the headset isn't exactly lightweight, it's still comfy and glasses friendly. This means you can use the headset for a long time without drenching your face in sweat or getting cramps in your hands. The Oculus Quest offers further resolution for VR graphics and the ability for casting devices to a wireless design. Also, there's more ports and buttons on the headset's body, including a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones on the left and right side. At the bottom, flanking the space for your nose, is a volume rocker and a switch to adjust the lens's spacing. But up next, we have the Samsung HMD Odyssey Plus. Immerse yourself in the stunning and crisp detail of the dual-AMOLED display, complemented by vibrant and dynamic AKG 360-degree spatial sound. Just plug in the Samsung HMD Odyssey Plus and go. It's lightweight and easy to set up in minutes. Having a 3.5-inch AMOLED screen merge with 3K display, it provides a more realistic view. Its 110-degree viewing angle furthermore delivers a more fluid user experience. Victorious gaming adventures await with the new Samsung HMD Odyssey Plus. Get dropped into virtual worlds and battlegrounds created by Windows Mixed Reality. You can further talk to friends and move around with freedom, surrounded by vivid graphics and 360-degree spatial sound. To glimpse the room without leaving the game, you can activate the flashlight on the shortcut menu by the Windows button. And you can try out the Windows Mixed Reality experience on the Microsoft Store and jump into the Stream VR library to explore more adventures. Moving on, we have the Oculus Rift S. This makes the best VR headset for PCs even better. This sleek headset has a crisp 1280 by 1440 resolution on top of a speedy 80Hz refresh rate. Its 1-pound design makes it comfortable to wear for hours of VR gaming. It ditches the original Rift's onboard headphones for impressive integrated audio that comes right out the headband. The Rift S further packs Oculus Insight tracking, which allows for room-scale monitoring without setting up pesky external sensors. Oculus's latest PC headset decks in the company's excellent touch controllers for making it easy to climb mountains virtually, battle with swords, and create art in virtual reality. The Rift S also benefits from what's become an awe-inspiring library of games in the Oculus Store, which includes big hits like Beat Saber, Superhot, Job Simulator, and Vader Immortal. Next up on this list is the Valve Index VR. The Index VR is specialized and expensive, even by VR standards. It costs around $800, more than twice as much as the Oculus Rift or HTC Vive. Like those systems, you'll need a gaming PC to use it. If you need convenience and portability, it's not the right choice. But for people who spend a lot of time on VR, it offers solid visuals, thoughtful hardware designs, and the coolest VR controllers on the market. Visual clarity isn't just about panel resolution. Multiple attributes contribute to how clearly and comfortable you see details in VR. The Valve Index runs at 120 Hz, with full back compatibility in 90 Hz and experimental 144 Hz mode. Designed for providing a more natural way to experience audio, its Index speakers do not touch the ears, allowing sound to flow freely and interact with geometry of your head and ears. Next up on this list, we have the HTC Vive Cosmos Elite. Unleash the best of computer VR gaming with the Vive Cosmos Elite from HTC. It's a system designed to offer unmatched precision tracking for elite gamers. By combining high-definition graphics, ergonomic engineering, and modular features, Cosmos Elite offers the same refined capabilities as the original Cosmos. Its external stream VR tracking and advanced controllers enable precision and freedom of movement. You can swing a racket behind your head, crisscross your swords, move quicker and smoother at all angles. Also, absorb every detail with 2880 by 1700 combined pixel resolution and minimize the screen door effect with its all-new LCD panels. The rich stereo audio is further integrated into the ear for form-fitting headphones. Its crown fit makes putting on the headset quick, easy, and adjustable. You can also create seamless wireless connections between your attached tools and Cosmos. Bring real-world objects in your virtual world, from rackets, bats, cameras, to full-body tracking with the HTC Vive Cosmos Elite VR headset. And last on this list, here is the Google Daydream View VR. Enjoy virtual reality with this soft, lightweight fabric headset that's easy to wear with an expressive controller that's simple to use. Wield a magic wand or fly through space with the Daydream controller. You can interact with the virtual world the same way you do in the real world. The headset is made with breathable fabric, which makes it super soft and light. It's well built and offers a decent VR experience piped in your phone. While we could watch any YouTube video in Daydream, YouTube 360 videos further let you swim with dolphins or get up close to your favorite YouTube stars. With Google Street View, you could type in any street address and go visit your childhood home, then keep walking around the neighborhood as well. If you haven't quite bought into VR, the Daydream View could be the best way to get started. If you already own a Google Pixel and love exploring the world, it already feels like a pretty solid purchase, right? Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time. See ya.